Hello, this is a news minister urges you to understand Rwanda's story, 9 PF obligations. The Minister of Youth and Arts, Abdallah Utumatwishima, addresses youth at the Rubyiruko Menya Amateka Yawe campaign in Humba in Burera district on Friday, March 28. Photo by Clash Bahisi. The Minister of Youth and Arts, Abdallah Tumatwishima, has urged the Rwandan youth to learn about the country's history and the 9 obligations of the RPF Inkotanyi Party. With over 65% of the population under 30, many Rwandans were born after the genocide, highlighting the need for youth to understand the country's history, which was marked by RPF Inkotanyi's struggle to liberate the country and stop the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. The call to understand the 9 obligations of RPF Inkotanyi was made during the Rubyiruko Menya Amateka Yawe campaign held on March 28 at the National Ubutore Development Center, New DC in Humba, Burera district. The event gathered 1,000 youths from various districts in North Province, Burera, Gicumbi, Gakenke, Musanze, and Rulindo, and in Nyabihu in Eastern Province. The campaign is a joint effort by the Minister of National Unity and Civic Engagement, Minubumwe, and the Minister of Youth and Arts, Moya, emailed at Education Young Rwandans about the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi and providing them with the knowledge to count genocide denial. The Rwanda Patriotic from RPF Inkotanyi was founded in December 1987 by exiled Rwandans responding to the ethnic violence against the Tutsi forwarded by colonial policies under the Rwandan regime since 1959, when Belgium introduced the ethnic identity card for Rwandans. Minister Utumatwishima said that youth should learn about the RPF Inkotanyi and its 9 obligations, as they showcase values that will build a peaceful and developed country. Restoration of unity among Rwandans. Youth should understand the political programs of the RPF Inkotanyi because it holds obligations to guide and help youth contribute to the rebuilding and development of this country. Restoring unity among Rwandans is a key obligation that characterizes the RPF Inkotanyi, he explained. This vital for rebuilding a society previously marked by colonial divisions and decades of ethnic segregation, which culminated in 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, which over 1 million people were killed in 100 days. The colonial powers left a legacy of district hatred and conflict, leading some Rwandans to be accused of being foreigners and exiled. Instead of attempting to restore unity among Rwandans, both regimes that governed Rwanda after its independence, MDL Parmehutu and MRND, continued the legacy of segregation until it led to the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. The first objective of RPF Inkotanyi is to restore unity among Rwandans so that all Rwandans love their country, have equal opportunities and rights, and live in harmony again, complementing each other in ideas and activities. Sovereignty and security. The minister explained that LPF Ingotanyi is responsible for defending donors' sovereignty, particularly considering threat from the DR Congo based FDLR genocide military. The Larman genocides who still maintain genocide ideology and have the intention to destroy what Rwanda has achieved, he said. There is a significant number of Rwandans who fled the country after committing genocide atrocities and have supporters for their cause. To safeguard the national Rwandan security forces has been strengthened to protect the citizens and ensure safety across the country. RPF Inkotanyi ensures that all Rwandans who are willing and able have the right to join the army whenever there are available openings. RPF Inkotanyi encourages youth to join the army if they meet the required discipline and health standards. Without discipline and good health, youth can't be accepted to join the security forces who can defend the sovereignty of Rwanda. Utuma twishima ishuri. Establishing democratic governance, Rwanda was previously governed by dictatorship, exclusion, and segregation. One of RPF Inkotanyi's obligations is to establish democratic governance, ensuring that all citizens have a voice in the country's leadership and decision-making processes. Economic development. Promotion economic growth by leveraging the country's resources is a priority for RPF Inkotanyi. The government aims to enhance Rwanda's self-sufficiency, reduce poverty, and provide job opportunities for the youth. The event gathered 1,000 youths from various districts in North Province, Bulela, Gicumbi, Gakenke, Musanze, and Rulindo, and Nyabihu in Western Province. Fighting corruption, eradicating corruption, favoritism, and the embezzlement of national resources is central to RPF Inkotanyi's vision. Corruption has long hindered our country's development, and the movement seeks to eliminate these practices to improve peace, unity, and prosperity. The above practices also achieved the economic peace and unity Rwanda since the time of independence and discovered the efforts of some Rwandans who were willing to rebuild the country after the 1994 genocide, as RPF Inkotanyi explains on its web portal. Enhancing social welfare. Social welfare is a key pillar for RPF Inkotanyi's mission. Ensuring that all citizens have access to quality health care, education, and other essential services is a fundamental responsibility of the government. Eliminating all causes of refugee status. In the past, many Rwandans have been forced to flee the country due to bad governance of economic problems. This took place before, during, and after the colonial times. However, the refugee crisis was exploited during the MDL Parmehutu and MRND regimes because homes were destroyed and burned. People were killed and others were forced into exile due to their ethnicity or political affiliations. Some were forced in exile because they had been denied the right education, public employment, and security. During the MRN, the regime leaders declared that Rwanda was too small, that there was no room for the return of refugees, and that they should remain in exile permanently. RPF Inkotanyi will eliminate all causes for freeing the country, particularly those that make any Rwandan feel insecure or deem them equal rights and opportunities as fellow Rwandans. Internal relations. Cultivating positive international relations is crucial for Rwanda's development. RPF Inkotanyi emphasizes cooperation with other nations based on mutual respect, focusing on economic and political partnership that benefit Rwanda's people and contribute to nation progress. That is why Rwanda severed diplomatic relations with Belgium, because it did not respect Rwanda. Belgium played a big role in the regime that committed the genocide against the Tutsi, and it still seeks to support those who want to trivialize the country's history and Rwanda's progress, Utuma Twishima explained. Combating genocide and its ideology. After 1959, it became evident that some Rwandans were promoting the extermination of the fellow Rwandans due to their Tutsi ethnicity. At that time, people were killed, homes were destroyed, and people fled the country. This sequence continued through the years and culminated in 1994, when the country lost over 1 million people in the space of 3 months. The victims included the people of the Tutsi ethnicity as well as those who did not agree with this plot. Genocide perpetrators from Rwanda fled to other countries, especially in the Great Lakes region, spreading the genocide ideology. Utuma Twishima said that combating genocide ideology remains the essential task for Rwanda. He reminded the youth to be vigilant against the genocide ideology, warning them to report cases in schools, business, and communities. RPF Inkotanyi is determined to prevent the resurgence of genocide ideology both within Rwanda and beyond its borders. He stressed the importance of leadership, stating that liberation for Rwanda was not only military victory but also a victory for good governance. He urged the youth to support the country's leadership and focus on self-reliance to fight poverty. He also reiterated the importance of embracing education and avoid drug abuse among the youth. Diodone Shimiumukiza, one of the youth leaders in Gakenke district, is committed to helping youth understand the Ndi Umunyarwanda spirit. Under President Kagame's leadership, the Ndi Umunyarwanda program promotes national identity, trust, and unity. The youth also highlighted the importance of explaining the true story of Rwanda to genocide deniers and showcasing Rwanda's progress in infrastructure, education, and health after the genocide. Ernest Manzia youth leader noted that explaining Rwanda's histories, especially crucial during the 31st commemoration of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. Albertine Wemuwe noted the importance of demonstrating the country's achievement and how leadership and unity have contributed to national development. Oshene Nyokwizera, another youth leader, called for teaching Rwanda's history in communities during holidays and at all education levels. This, he said, is essential for preserving the country's history and preventing future distortions. The ongoing campaign aimed at education young Rwandans about 1994 genocide against the Tutsi and providing them with the knowledge to counter genocide denial.